What's going on, everyone? Josh is not done, back with another YouTube video. This video is going to be different than the last one. The last one was a prank. If you haven't seen it, I advise you to go watch it. This one is going to be going to Subway and ordering a sub with every single topping they have on it. That includes all the meats, cheeses, sauces, whatever they have. I'm putting it on it, and we'll see what it comes to. I'm wearing a white shirt. I'm very scared for this, but have a great day, guys. Hope you enjoy. Just got here to Subway. We're gonna be going inside. Let's see what happens. Can I get 6-inch on white? And I want that chicken. That chicken. Okay. This is gonna get messy.
White or wheat?
White. 6-inch on white, please.
Alright, what kind of meat?
Okay, I want that.
This.
Yep. Some of that. Can I get a little bit of grilled chicken, please? Alright. Can I get some of the roast beef right there? Dude, he is loading this with me. I don't know if it's all gonna fit. Yeah, can I get some of that chicken too, please? Maybe a little less than that chicken. Alright, that's fine. Can I get some bacon, please? Thank you. Some of that, please.
This?
Yeah, please.
How many? Just one?
Just two.
Two?
Yeah.
Okay.
Forgot about that. Yeah, I need some of that sauce right there.
This?
Yeah.
This isn't sauce.
Yeah, whatever it is.
Tuna?
That meat, tuna, whatever.
How many scoops?
This is really good. Just one.
Just
one
one
scoop's
scoop?
good. Yeah, just one scoop. Beautiful. All right, can I get some cheese on it too? I want that cheese.
What cheese?
That one. Yeah,
This one?
Yep. All right, we need some of that shredded too, please. I really like my shredded rubber. I mean, my shredded cheese, not less. That's
Any
it.
of this stuff up here?
Oh yeah, can I get one of those, please? Yep. Yep. Can I get that right there, please? Yep. And can I just get all those, please?
Is this gonna be toasted today, sir?
Yes, please.
We're gonna have to double toast this.
We need that on there, yep. Yep. All right, give me some crab too, please. Like my crab.
Seafood sensation.
Yep, definitely. All right. Can I get some of that cheese too, please? Yeah.
This cheese?
Yeah, that cheese. Just one slice of that.
Just one?
One slice of that is fine. All right. Can I get some mozzarella, please?
Just one?
Yes, one mozzarella is good. I need some provolone too right there.
This is not good.
Whatever. Yeah, the white cheese. I don't know what that's called. All
It's
right.
American.
Oh yeah, please. And
These?
yeah, one of those. Yep. I'm scared to see how much this will cost. Beautiful, looking very, very nice. Oh, in the corner, almost missed the roast beef. All
This
right.
one?
Yep. Just one of those. Can I get that toasted, please?
Yeah. We're gonna have to.
Alright, so that's going in the toaster right now. I'm scared because I still have to put every single vegetable on it and every sauce. So we're gonna see what's gonna happen now. I'm scared to see the price too. I don't think.
Today?
Yeah, please guacamole. Yeah. It's getting scary. I only brought like $60, so we'll see. We'll hope that's enough. I didn't even know they had crab. Okay, that's gonna be something. Look at that. Just take a look at this. That is absolutely insane.
All right.
Yeah. Thinking we should go with the sauces, or you put vegetables on first? Which one?
Veggies.
All right, veggies. Give me. You already got the guac on there.
Oh, I don't have a block.
All right, yeah. Give me a little bit of guac, obviously. Everyone likes the guac. It's a good guac. I like that. All right, can I get some shredded on that, please?
Shredded?
Yeah, shredded, please. All right. Spinach, please. That's not spinach, is it?
Yes, it's
Okay, that's spinach. All right. I'm not very
that's okay.
smart with my vegetables. Onions, please. Definitely need some green peppers. Hey, 2 tomatoes on there. I hate tomatoes, literally. Can I get pickles? I'm a black olive kind of guy. Can I just get some good black olives on there?
Black olives?
Yeah, that's good. That's good. Yeah, that's plenty. You can give it a little squish if you need to.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Oh yeah, the guac just like seeped off. Okay, that's great. All right, jalapenos, please. I'm not huge into the yellow peppers, so let's just go a couple of those. Yep, that's good.
Cucumber?
Yeah, please, cucumber. Yeah. All right. Yeah, I think that's all the veggies for me.
Alright, any sauces?
Yeah, can I just get all the sauces, please?
All of the sauces.
Yeah, just a little bit of each sauce.
Alright.
I'll take this foot-long steak and cheese on top.
I hope they do not charge for sauces.
I'll do the shredded cheese. No, the pepperoni. Sorry.
Sure this is edible?
Yeah, we're gonna try. I didn't eat dinner. I didn't eat lunch, so I'm gonna get a little snack for the road.
You think this looks good? I don't think it looks good. I don't have no comment.
I think it looks great.
Would you like any of our toppers today?
Yeah, can I just get all those?
All of them?
Might as well put a cookie on top of there.
That's actually a great idea. That might ruin the flavor, though. No?
You think?
I would say so.
Yes, please. You put the onions on first.
This is actually looking like a piece of art. He's getting the meatballs for it. This may or may not topple the thing over. Yeah, you just put it on the side.
Is it okay if the meatballs go on the side?
Yeah, that's fine. Nice. All right. Cheers. This is gonna cost.
Drain this out.
Sauce. Yeah, can I get the Southwest?
It looks like sub
Are
is
you eating this for
done.
here?
Yeah, can I get that for here, please?
Yeah, a little bit of. That's not gonna wrap.
That's not good.
Yeah. I'm gonna grab the other corners so it doesn't hurt.
Beautiful.
It's like a full course meal.
Looking like it.
Get you some napkins here.
Yeah. I actually don't know if I need napkins.
No napkins?
No, I think I'm good.
Okay.
Alright, and that's all for me then today.
That's all? No drink?
No, I'll take a cup of water if you have one.
Water cup? Yeah.
Alright, so we're gonna see how much this is. I'm gonna say it's probably over 20. Couldn't tell you exactly. I did get it for here, so there will be tax. I don't know how much the tax will be though.
Have a good one.
Alright,
Enjoy that sandwich.
thank you. Prices just keep adding up right here. Let's see. You're just putting in every single thing. That's actually not as bad as I thought. This is looking absolutely. This is definitely looking
Alright.
edible.
So, your total will be $21.40.
It's actually not as bad as I thought it would be.
30?
Alright, guys. Next step is going to be eating this. Just look
Oh, I
at this
put
receipt.
2 in there.
Just look at this receipt. Just look at this, boys. Alright. Next bit, I'll be eating this. Alright guys, so just sat down, got my cup of water. Definitely gonna need more water than that. Good thing they did give me silverware. I actually don't like half the stuff on this, so I probably won't be eating much, but just look at this. Look how crazy this is layered. I don't even know how I can take a bite out of this. I don't think I can. Just take a quick bite that gets at least all the good food groups in here. Got all the vegetables, all the meats, all the eggs, you know, poultry. Got it all in here. Oh my god. Alright. Here we go. First bite. It's actually not that bad. I didn't get everything in it, obviously, but not very bad stuff. I would definitely recommend it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, subscribe, and comment your opinions. Be ready for the next one. Peace out.